Right there it is. A bird nest right in the middle of a gravel driveway. Today we're going to finish up this walnut log, and we got some pretty good slabs out of it yesterday. I got how many? 2 slabs so far, and this was a rough looking log. Let me tell you guys, it was pretty nasty. I have no idea how long this thing's been on the ground, probably at least 3 to 4 years at the most. But we got some good slabs out of it, and the width of it is what I was really happy about. 18 inches right here, in some places even 19 inches. So that's some premium walnut right there. We got some really good figure going on as well. And based on what's on the sawmill right now, we should have some nice crotch figure at the top and also right here on the sides. So we'll probably get 3 more slabs out of it. And then next up on the mill, I got a hemlock. So a little bit of variety today. And I think it's about a 9-footer. And I'll be cutting it into 1x6s because I need some siding for my kiln. And if you guys noticed in the past few videos, I'm getting some different camera angles, and the footage is a lot better, I think, based on this new GoPro camera that I got last week. And you guys on Patreon really made that happen. So I want to say thank you to you people on Patreon that give to the channel and donate every month. That really is appreciated, and it helps make this channel better. One more thing here to mention before we get going. On April the 4th, I've talked to the people down at the Wood-Mizer, Georgia location, and they're okay with this. We're going to do a little meet and greet out in the parking lot on April the 4th, and I'm going to get there about 3 o'clock, and I think they close at 5 or 6, so if they close down, I'm sure we can still hang out in the parking lot. If people want to sit around and shoot the bull for a few hours, that's fine with me. It's about 30 minutes below Atlanta. It's in a place called Newnan, Georgia. It's about a 5-hour drive from me here. But it looks like a pretty nice facility. They got some sharpening equipment down there and sawmills on display. So if you guys live close to Atlanta in that area and want to come down and say hello, April the 4th at 3 o'clock, that's on a Thursday. And after that meet and greet's done, on the 5th and the 6th of April, I'll be going down to Rents, Georgia for the Forestry Forum Sawmill event. It's an annual little sawing event that we do down there. I went last year and actually videoed it. If you've not seen that video, there's a link down below to the 2018 Georgia Sawing Project. And I'll be taking the cameras as usual so you guys can see what went on down there over the weekends. There's usually some pretty interesting sawing that goes on down there. So a lot of big plans this year. And I'm actually going to be taking a walnut crotch log with me down there to have cut up. So links down below to the meet and greet location and the date and time. And I hope to see you guys down there. So let's get this walnut opened up now without further ado and get going here. So this is the top side of the first slab today. We got some nice crotch figure here at the top going on. Got some cracking right here. That's due to the pith. I was expecting that, so that's not a big deal. We knew it was going to be there. But some nice figure here at the top. And the best figure in this log is right here on the side. The two slabs yesterday had this exact same figure going on. Had an old limb coming off right here at some point of this tree's life. And it broke off and healed over, but this crotch wood remained. So when we throw some water on here, this should look really nice right here. In case anybody's wondering, you know, I do walnut 99% of the time here at the mill. And even if I've not got the video cameras going, I still throw water on it. And I never get tired of this. Never. It never gets old. Look at that. That's what it's all about right there, guys. You know, we got a remnants of an old limb that used to be there, but the crotch wood remained right there. You can't beat that. Some nice figure, and it's curly on down through here. So we got some curly crotch wood right here. The best of both worlds. Right here toward the bottom of the slab, we got another feature I forgot to show you. You know, another limb right here. This little bump right here shows the presence of a limb at some time. Not as good as the top limb, but it's still pretty nice though. So this slab right here has 3 different crotch figures going on. Fantastic. But the only downside of this slab is the pith is in it. You can see this run right here in the middle. That dark run right there. And that's the middle of the tree right there, guys. That's when the tree was a little sapling. You know, it's very unstable, you know. Don't know how this will turn out once it's kiln dried. May have to cut this part out and still get 2 good slabs out of it, just not as wide. Still good stuff, guys. I'll take this any day of the week.